Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my masculine card with you all that I promised. I had to make my mother-in-law a birthday card and my nephew. And I always struggle. Well, once I have the paper, which I just absolutely love this paper, once I find the paper that I want to use, I pretty much know what direction I'm going. And this, I do not know where I got this paper from. It's just, it's a double-sided paper. And and it was a 12 by 12. No, it wasn't. It was an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I think I got this at Michael's way back when. It was a pack of all different types of patterns, you know. So yeah, it's a really good cardstock paper, and I love it. So I used this paper, and then here is my card. So the back is like a rustic red color, and I used that as my mat. So my card base is 110 cardstock. I don't think I said that in my last video, but anyway, it's 110 cardstock black. I need to get more, by the way. I don't know why. I I had one sheet of paper left. So I have two, this one and another card that I can use. And then I used the pattern paper on top. And then I used my sanding disc and I sanded. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look, it looks so rustic. I even did that to the car. And this is ephemera from Hobby Lobby. And then this ephemera is from some other ephemera pack I had in my stash, and I pulled them out. I thought it was kind of cool. Give it a whirl. And it's a ticket, and I scuffed it up with that sanding. I used my happy birthday sticker, backed it with another sheet, a little scrap of paper. I even did a little, another scrap of paper with a teeny tiny strip, and I added it to the center. And I just love how this card turned out. It is really cool. And then inside, I did add another sheet of that paper to the bottom of my inside of my card. Since it was black, I had to do the inside of the card. And then I added a brad from my stash. I have a ton of these. And I think metal and cars really, he loves old-fashioned cars, so I thought this was really fitting for him. I just love it. Isn't that sweet? So this is my second birthday card for today. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great, great, great Friday. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.